3 simple steps to follow. So first step, we're gonna go over to profile. We're gonna create new. So we're gonna give a name vertical mode. Second step, we're gonna come over to scene collection. We're gonna create new vertical mode. Then the third thing, we're gonna come over to setting. Then our video, usually we have our 16:9. We're gonna flick it over. The good thing about over here is although we have option here, we still can override. So just delete it. 1080p and 1920s. Same thing for outputs. 1080p, 1080p and 1920s. So yeah, that's about it. But another thing I like to do is go over to event. This is not necessary, just optional. I want to automatically remit after finish recording, so just click here. Yeah, that's about it. Then say okay. Here we go. So now we have our canvas. This dark black area. This is our canvas 9:16 vertical mode. So we're gonna bring in these source over here. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is just right click, then transform and fit to screen. Here we go. So now we have our screen and canvas, but they are not in line, so we need to adjust it. In order to adjust it, so press option on Macs, then alt key on Windows. You just press and then drag this in, so must be equally. Yeah, so go over here, right here, maybe. Yeah, I think that is just nice. Okay, alright, so we're gonna test drive. Why not? Start recording.
Thousands of years they've debated the same things.
So Sagar here right now is landscape mode. So after we record it in a vertical mode, it should come stop with this vertical mode.
So
right?
Instead of looking at
Okay, I'm gonna stop it and then go over here and show recording. It should be this one. Let's just see. Come on, open up. Come on, yeah, this is definitely this vertical mode. Yeah, Cygadus comes in vertical mode.
As to what is right and wrong.
Yeah, so yeah, that's about it, guys. So I hope for this tutorial useful. I'll see you guys in the next quick tutorial. Okay, bye.